What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler, and today, as you can see, I've got this massive package to unbox. I believe it's from Champs Sports, but that's all I know. It just said Champs on the label, so that's the only tip off. They didn't email me, they didn't let me know it was coming. They just sent me a fragile box that's like 30, 40 pounds. That's not a joke, this is a heavy thing. So why don't I stop wasting your time, and let's bust right into this guy. Just to give you guys an idea of how large this package actually is, I don't know if you've noticed, but I've zoomed the camera all the way out. You can actually see both of my walls. And yes, this is a small room, but this package takes up like a third of it. What are you doing, Ben?
Come on, bud. You gotta get off the backdrop.
So I had to bust out the kind of scary $8 Amazon knife to unbox this guy. It says fragile, so I'm hoping there's not anything that I'm gonna accidentally cut. Try not to cut myself when putting this knife away. Okay guys, moment of truth. Here we go. Oh good, they did bubble wrap it. I know it's from Champs, but I don't know what shoe it's for, if it's even for, I would assume it's for shoes because this is a sneaker channel, but wow, that's not a light box. Okay, I guess let's start pulling off this bubble wrap. I like that. I like that. Oh man, guys, check that out. Okay, let me get rid of this bubble wrap really quick. I feel like I should get a really quick thumbnail shot before I open this guy up. I hate doing this because it's so cringy, but it has to be done.
What? What is this?
Whoa, I'm confused as to what this box is.
What is it?
Should I like put some fire emojis around it or some arrows or something?
What?
Friggin' heavy though, I can't hold this up for much longer. Nice little smile there for you. So obviously this box is from Champs. So you've got the Know Your Game text there on the back. You've got the Jumpman in red on the top. It could be whatever and I'd be happy. Free shoes is free shoes. So before I even open this box up, I wanna give a huge thank you to Champs Sports for sending this through. This is really, really appreciated. It's awesome. It's awesome to come home to crazy packages like this, and I can't thank you guys enough. It looks like on one side, we've got like a lacing sort of system going on right there. So let me undo this. There we go. That's a really cool touch. It says Champs, refresh your game. Oof. Damn, look at that. I don't want to look at the shoes yet. I don't want to look at the shoes yet. This is sick. Check it out, guys. That's so cool. What do you guys think it is? Comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think. Here we go. Oh, sick. Okay, this sweatshirt's awesome. Oh, that's so sick. Check that out. TM Nike double swoosh action. You got the Nike sportswear on the back. That's sick. It also smells like some new Nike stuff, which is always a good smell. Check that out. Oh man, that's awesome. Yellow swoosh with white Nike branding. What could it be? It's got some text down the sleeve as well, which is pretty sick. Let me fold this up before I get into the rest of the unboxing, because I always feel bad just throwing stuff on the floor, especially since I'm gonna wear it in a second, so I don't wanna get it all wrinkled before I even rock it. Nice little fold. I used to work at Urban Outfitters, no big deal. And Vans, and Target. Man, I worked everywhere. Let's get to the actual stuff inside. So we've got this nice image with sporty people on it. Very cool. And then whoa, what? These are some fresh AF1s. You've got some white, I don't actually know what kind of AF1s these are. Are these like a special Nike, what are these? Are these just like a special edition AF1? You've got a swoosh in black on the lateral side, no swoosh on the medial side, which is interesting. I wonder why that is. You've also got some stitched in mini Nike swooshes right there, which is pretty sick. You've also got this really interesting like strap or tag or something right here that says Nike Sportswear. You've got different details on the left shoe and on the right shoe. On the right shoe, you've got the TM next to the Nike swoosh. On the left shoe, you've got this really cool like window for the registered trademark logo right there. These are actually really sick. I dig these, and I love that there's no swoosh on the medial side. I think that's so awesome. I mean, there is like a mini swoosh, but there's not like a normal size swoosh. So you've got a primarily tumbled leather upper. It's white tumbled leather. Now it doesn't feel incredible, like it's not the best tumbled leather I've ever felt, but it's definitely not the worst. It has a nice texture to it though, which is always nice, especially visually. I really wish I knew the name of these. I would assume that they're just Nike Air Force Ones, but I mean, they're clean, man. They're super clean. I actually really like these, and I'm surprised that they're not overdone, because sneakers like this usually run the risk of being overdone and being a little bit too messy and a little bit too busy. And these guys just pulled it off. I think if they had added anything else, or maybe not omitted the swoosh on the medial side, I think it would have been a little bit too busy. But and this sweatshirt, I have like a weird thing for sweatshirts. I don't know what it is, but I love sweatshirts, man, and this is sick. Huge thank you to Champs Sports for sending these out. These are awesome. I really appreciate it. I love the packaging. I love the hoodie. This is sick. Is it my size? It is my size, perfect. Guys, definitely check out Champ Sports if you're trying to pick up this pair of AF1s or pretty much any other pair of sneakers. They've got an online store, they've got brick and mortar stores, they've got social media. It's super easy to find them. I'm sure you guys already know who Champ Sports is, but definitely check them out if you haven't yet. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe down below if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.